Hello everyone and welcome to this course. I will teach you Java with IntelliJ IDEA. In this course we will learn how to write simple Java programs, and this course is built from several short videos, each one covering a specific simple topic. We will also touch upon some basic questions like what can you do with Java, and is it difficult to learn, and what do I actually need to learn to code in Java. First of all, Java is a very popular programming language, and you can use it to code many different type of applications, and it's only difficult to learn if you really think of it as being difficult, but with a curiosity and focus, you're pretty good and set for learning Java. Especially in this course we will be using a tool called IntelliJ IDEA, which is a tool that can facilitate a lot of the steps in the process of coding. So Java is a very popular programming language today, and it is also very useful to learn, as some of the concepts and language constructs are similar to other popular languages, and you will have a lot of benefit from learning Java. So hopefully you will get a lot of benefit from this course, and Java is also a great choice to start with, as you only need to write the code once, and it's possible to run it on different type of computers with the same code. So what can you actually do with Java? First of all, you can write many different types of applications. You can think of applications called web applications. So if you think of Amazon or Google, they have a lot of applications written in Java. You can also write complex desktop applications for like drawing or calculations and the like, or you can even write just simple smaller programs that interact with the user through a simple interface. So how do we actually start writing Java programs? Actually, it doesn't take that much, as you only need to know a few basic code constructs, and using IntelliJ IDEA, a lot of the build process is simplified for you, so you can focus on just writing code. And basically there are three components that you should know, although you might not be touching the two of those. But basically you have, first of all, the Java language, which is what you will learn, and the Java code is what you actually write. Then there are two other steps, which is called the compilation or the translation phase. That's done through a Java compiler, and what the Java compiler will do is create machine code that is understood by another program called the Java virtual machine. And the Java virtual machine is basically the environment where your code is executed and where your program is started. Now, as I said, we should only focus now on the Java language itself, and since we will be using IntelliJ IDEA, the two last steps will actually be taken care of IntelliJ. So basically we'll start by writing code and save it, and through IntelliJ we can just click play, and that will be shown later, and then you will have a simple running program in no time. Now, I recommend you, before we move on to the first video, go to www.jetbrains.org and click on the link for downloading IntelliJ, and there's both a professional and community edition. You will be fine with the community edition. So go ahead and download it and install it on your computer, pause the video and then come back. Because when you then start IntelliJ, you will be presented with this type of dialogue. I've already created a project, which is for this course I will teach Java. You will probably have an empty dialogue. Create new project is the button you should click on, and when you do that, you will be presented with this window. The Java project is pre-selected, so you can just go ahead and click next, and through the wizard until you reach the final project workspace, which should look similar to this. If you reach this far, you're ready for the first introduction, which is in the next video, and we will start to write some simple statements that talk to the user. I hope you liked watching this video. Please leave a comment if you have any question. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.